Okay, welcome back, Grandview students. Again, want to help you guys navigate through this. So on your home page, you can go ahead and take a look at the recent announcements. If you click on that, you'll see what's expected for today. You could see that there's no Zoom sessions on this Wednesday. The activities from yesterday, I need you guys to complete. And I put down the assignments are due by Sunday at midnight. Today's activities is a Desmos getting to know you activity and learning assessments. This third piece, I don't think we're going to be able to complete, but you could try it, and I'll take note of it, and give you guys credit for your work. So, just going with today's activity, if you hit the Desmos link, it'll take you to the Desmos site, and what I need you to do is complete this getting to know each other. There's about 12 slides here, so you can finish that up. For the learning via assessment, this is how we're going to be able to submit all of our work. You just click on the site, authorize that you are who you say you are, and it's given a little bit of time. Authorize that, and then it should be able to populate all your answers, so I'll be able to see it and give you credit for that. All right, so I got a couple students here who's worked on it and completed that, so I need you guys also to work it and finish it. Outside of that, I have really nothing else to share with you guys. Please feel free to email me, you can call me, and I'll get back to you guys anything for the class. All right, talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.